church has been silent while the world raised its voice. In loud and angry tones they took the lead. But all across creation there's a rumbling in the hills as the chosen ones of God stand up to make His message known. I'm gonna shout it from the housetops, proclaim it from the mountaintops. Tell the world around me Jesus saves. I have made my choice, I'm gonna make a joyful noise. The world will hear my voice, Jesus saves. The rocks and hills are ready to proclaim the Savior's might. You see, God knew His children were ready to march on and proclaim His word throughout the land and seal the devil's fate.